Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to fix a slow leak in a tire. And I'm just going to use this one as a demonstration. This is just an electric scooter that I have. So I had a problem with my car. It was leaking. It would leak slow. You fill it up, it would last for 2 days, and then it would go flat again. But I checked out the tire. I didn't see any nails. There were no chunks taken out of the sidewall or anything. So it was driving me kind of crazy. So I decided, I made a bottle of soapy water. And all this is a bottle. And what the issue was a valve stem. Okay, so it's just that little thing, and it's the same on a car, it's the same on a trailer, a bicycle tire, motorcycle. They're all the same. So it comes with replacement valve stems that look like this. They're only about $3 a piece, and it also comes with the tool to take it out. Okay, now first I'm going to show you what the problem is. So you could spray the tire, you don't see any bubbles, no air leaking out. And I already checked this, there's no air leaking out anywhere else. But if you spray on the valve stem, you can see it's leaking. It's creating bubbles. So this one is bad, this valve core. Now you're just going to take this tool and you're going to take this end, that is the removal tool. Now, as you can see, the valve core sits in right like that. And there's a hole to receive the tip of the valve core here. Okay, so then all we're going to do is just take this old one out and replace it with a new one. So you're just going to put it on right like that. And start loosening it. So you're just going to put it in and turn it lefty-loosey. Now, as you can see, all the air is going to come out. But, let's see here. Okay, so that's the bad one. You can see it's a little bent. Here's the new one and the old one side by side. Take the new one, put it on your tool here, and like that. Insert it. And then just tighten it in. It doesn't have to be super tight, just tight enough. You don't want to strip this out. Just finger tight. Okay, now we'll fill it back up with air and see if it leaks. Okay, now we've got it filled up back to 45 psi. We're just going to take this off. And we are going to try the same test. So spray a little bit of water on here. Soapy water. As you can see, there's no bubbles. And just to show that it is filled with air now, let's put this on this. There we are. No leaks. Now, like I said, it is the same for cars, trucks, scooters, bicycles, motorcycles. It's like a universal thing. So these will work for basically any tire that has a valve stem. Alright, that was just a quick video I wanted to share. Hopefully it helps somebody out. Any questions, leave a comment below.